Hey guys, we're gonna do where we each use all these slimes.
And switch slime?
So this one I call this the chocolate because it looks like chocolate. So, and this is my clear one.
This is hers.
Wait until I'm done. This is my strawberry slime. I call it the strawberry slime. And then this one is my jelly slime, I believe, or
No,
jiggly slime.
that's the activator one.
I mean, this is my activator slime.
That looks like brain.
Yeah, it looks like brains. Okay, so you can go review your slime.
This is the bead one that I'm gonna use probably first, and this one looks like pretzels.
Pretzels? It looks
And
like
this
pretzels.
one is lime
Egg slime.
Egg slime or whatever. Okay. This is the giant one.
Rubber band slime. That's rubber band slime.
band.
Okay, so I'm going to review one of my slimes first, and we're going to each take turns, so you have to wait until I'm done using mine. So I'm going to do...
Use one of these.
You can go first to review one of those slimes, and then I'll go after you. So we're going to
Use
take
this
turns.
as the tip of the...
We're going to...
Okay, this slime is gonna like be...
It's like kind of sticky, but not that much sticky, so we're just going to... He's just going to use it for a minute. Oh, gosh.
No one sees when I get stuck, because it's like slippery. Oh, here's in it.
I know, it feels weird. I don't know what happened to it.
Remember the hair? Ooh. Oh, shoot. Got stuck. Ooh.
Oh, do you need help?
Now I got it.
That's why I wanted to have this slime. Just get this stuff off of there.
I got stuck.
I'm just gonna start using mine, so because I'm bored. I just want to use one of mine. So I'm just gonna start out with the clear one.
Yeah.
Do you need help?
Yes.
That's what you should have told me. Let me see. Okay.
God.
Give me this. Give me this.
This is hard.
Why would you even try to use this? You should have gave this to me.
You got it.
Okay.
I'm gonna have probably the clear
We'll
one.
restart it. Okay.
What's that?
Okay. Hold on.
Oh,
No. Wait.
My hands got sticky.
Okay. Give me your hand. That's the most stickiest. Most.
Can I get the clear one?
You're gonna get this one. No. You're gonna get this one, the activator one.
But I can't play with it.
Mhm.
Cause it's all.
It's activated already. It just has the activator in it. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of it off.
I do not know how to play this anymore. So I'm gonna get the this one again.
We are gonna switch.
So I'm keeping this one.
We're gonna switch because he does not know how to play with this one right.
Yes, I do.
But it just got stuck to him. It just got stuck to him because.
Here.
And then that'll just get into the other slime when you play with it. So yeah, it'll be all right. Okay, so this one is the one. Wait, I'm just gonna finish. Okay. So
I got shaving cream.
Wait until I'm done using this one. Okay, so
I got stuff all over me.
this, like, when you start playing with it at first. Wait until I'm done. When you start playing with this one, like, for a while, it won't be sticky anymore. So that's why I love this one, because it's so glossy, and I love it.
This one's so big we even need a bubble.
Yeah, and I made a bubble with that one. I mean, wait, no. I made a bubble with this one before. It was that one that I made the bubble with before.
Oh, shoot.
Keep your slimes on this side so you don't get mixed up.
I'm going to put it on.
Hold on, close
I'm
this.
going to start now.
Wait, let me finish. Wait.
But first I need to... This is the bead slime.
I'll use this one as my table, the clear one. Because they're both close.
I call
I'm
this
gonna
the
use
bead table.
the bead slime. It's foam bead slime. And
this is it.
Foam bead. And I like that one, but the problem is when I use it,
The
it just
beads
gets everywhere.
comes out.
It gets everywhere, like all over my floor, and then I have to clean it. And I'm sad because I do not like cleaning after. So I'm just gonna use this.
Even every day, that's me. I'm just kidding. We can't even go nowhere though, Jesse, right? He never. Got some beads out. It's not rad beads to this.
It's okay if they fall out because they have a lot in there anyways. Can you hear that? Like the gloss when I click it. You hear that? It's so cool. I like it. And you can make like bubbles with this. It feels so cool. That one's like right there, I think like a pinkish, because what turned it pink was the blue foam beads that turned to pink. Because because I got that from the store, it was a store-bought slime, and it had actual clear slime with glitter in it, and then I just added more foam beads, and then I added those like glitter, not glitter, but like almost like those tiny buttons.
Whoa, this is brilliant.
And it was cool to like make because you could like add anything you wanted to it. But first I added the foam beads, and then I wanted to add.
Wait, did you do this at your grandma's?
My mom's. And then and I added the foam beads at first, and then I was like, I want more stuff in my slime, so I added the other stuff to it because it came with 3 different things to add into it. But first I thought I would just want the foam beads, but then I just wanted the other stuff too. So now we're gonna switch our slimes.
Oh,
so we're gonna go to the next slime that we
have
have in our bags.
And it broke.
Okay, we're gonna switch our slimes now. So we're just gonna get to the other slimes that we have, so the video doesn't go on too long. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one next, my clear one. I'm gonna use my clear one first.
He's gonna try the brain slime.
He's gonna use the activated slime. What I like about this one though is that you can actually like literally see through it, but when I stretch it, it breaks.
I know.
It's like this one's a store-bought slime too, and it smells horrible.
I know. Oh,
I know it smells bad.
I had a putty though.
I tried to make it smell good, but it didn't work. It just kept. And this is not store-bought slime. It's store-bought putty. And it says it right here onto this. That's what it came in, but we switched the containers. So, I'm just going to use this for a while until we switch to our other slimes. So,
yeah, the YouTube Kids, but the Ninja Kids is funny. Just go to Ninja Kids and
watch it. It's really cool. And you should follow the Ninja Kids. I watched it one time I watched it with you guys.
She watched like slime and that to make it.
Yeah, because I've made a lot of slimes. I literally have like 8 slimes. Don't touch my slime.
Clear slime doesn't like look good.
It's not clear slime, it's putty. And it smells horrible. Okay, here. Just use it on there.
Stretches, it breaks?
There.
What happened to the light?
It got sucked into there.
Oh.
It's all glossy and clicky. Okay, so now we're gonna, after you use this stuff for a while, I know it feels weird.
Foam beads in it.
It's okay. I don't care. So I'm just gonna wait until he's done using it, and then we're gonna switch slimes again.
Papa thinks we're talking to someone else.
Okay, so
this breaks easy?
let's switch slime. No, it doesn't. It stretches actually good, but it just breaks sometimes.
This one because I didn't use this now, and this is the.
Okay, you should switch it to the other yellow one like me. This one is not even good slime.
I know. It's alright.
Seriously, this is not even good.
Hardest.
Look at when I stretch it, it like just breaks. Cause like this was not a make good slime. I don't really like this one though because it doesn't really stretch that much, but you can still like mold it and everything.
Woo!
And make like stuff out of it. But if you like do this all the time, it's gonna like get all messed up. So I'm just gonna wait for him to get to his yellow one and feel it. Hurry up, cause you gotta get to the yellow one. So,
I hear the clicking.
And
I'm keeping this out. I'm just gonna show him it and play with it for a little. This is the one that breaks too.
yeah, that's the one that also breaks when you stretch it. Look, I'll show you guys which one because he wants to keep playing with the activated one. This one feels really cool though.
This one looks like the brain, but it's pink.
Look at it. This one feels so cool. This one actually stretches better than the pink one.
But it broke.
It broke.
Wait,
just like the pink one.
Something.
Don't. Okay.
I got it.
That's how that one looks, guys. So.
This one stretches, and I'm gonna show them the big one.
Wait, not yet though, because we gotta finish.
That one could be the last.
Yeah, the big one can be the last one because the biggest is the biggest. So
and it breaks.
It doesn't break. That one's actually pretty good.
Oh. Why do I see like it looks like snake in there?
No, it's rubber bands that I put in there.
Why does it look like this?
No, I'm just gonna show you guys this one again because it was pretty cool to use and play with while I was doing his. So I like this one a lot though because when I had my other one, I never showed him that one. Oh my gosh, hold on, because I forgot to show you one of my slimes.
Yeah, that one.
I forgot to show you the chocolate slime.
This one's.
So let me just do that.
I'm gonna make the brain. I'm gonna make a brain over here. The making center, pretend.
Okay, don't put it on there though, because it can't go on there.
I did. It's not gonna stick.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the chocolate slime. It's pretty cool.
I'm almost done with the brain.
I just gotta let it sit like this for a little bit because it's got
It's not
stuck.
gonna work yet. Okay, bye. Piece of this, not done yet.
Gotta get my hand in there.
Just pound it.
I'm trying. I already got some. Don't put it on there, Louie. Okay, I'm getting some of it out there. It's coming.
This
Woohoo!
looks like the brain, but it's half of it.
Okay, let me just get this up right here.
Okay, this
Let me
one
just set this
happened.
down there. Hold on. Here it is, the chocolate slime. It's so cool. I like it.
It looks like the red Spider-Man one, but the Deadpool one.
Now it's turning to pink chocolate.
Yeah, it turns to
It's turning to pink chocolate, literally. See, look at like how it looks like.
my launcher.
It kind of looks like Spider-Man, like you said.
Yeah,
It actually
but I
looks
got
like
my
Spider-Man.
real launcher, and I'm gonna launch it.
Can I put it back into the container? No, don't do that.
So I stopped it.
No, you zoomed in. It's alright, just get in the video. Okay, so he just zoomed it in, but it's actually going to turn back to black because black takes over.
No, you guys do not know. This was the
I like this
rocket
one
launcher,
because it's
and I
very
accidentally hit it with a real, like this, like a.
And the day
Like
that I dyed this
No
black.
one tell. I slapped her in the face one time. And on Christmas we buried her under snow before me.
Yeah, he did before. Like they buried me under the snow, and then they were gonna trick me of leaving me under the snow, and then I was like, Anthony, and then he left me there, and he went to the front of the house. So and I was like, oh my gosh, why would you do that to me? That's not even right. So then he just said, I'm sorry, jeez. And I was like, he ain't sorry because.
I remember that snow pile over there.
And we made a snow
Ex-
pile and we were
yeah.
actually like jumping in it. So
Yeah, then I busted my face. in
yeah,
it.
he hit his face on the snow.
This
So I'm
is
just gonna-
crazy. No one else in the comments below what happened to me on Christmas. Don't tell no one.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm just gonna show you guys this one again because he's still not done with this last slime that he has to show you guys. So I'm just gonna show you this one again.
Okay, I'm done with this.
Okay, then go to the big one and use it.
The big one's kind of hard to
Just
use.
poke it inside the container though, because I don't want to take it out.
Yeah.
Just put it down.
Put it in here.
Open it.
I can't.
Just set that down and then open it. Because you can always set it down there. This one's very.
Yeah, it's too hard to open.
Hold on.
It's too. This one goes little when I do this. Look, Jesse.
Yeah, because it's like a squishy. It like goes back together. Okay, here. Now put that in there.
Take
now
a
I'm-
nice dip.
And then only play with it in the container though because I don't want it to get messed up. So just poke it inside of there. Don't take it out.
Whoa. Look at the slime because I can't take it out. Shoot. I got it.
You want to do slime ASMR? ASMR?
What is that?
It's where you like this. I'll show you. Watch. Okay, so we're gonna show you some slime ASMR. So I'm just gonna get that ready for you guys, and I'll show you what it is. Okay. So now,
Jesse, you need to help me.
okay, there's the slime ASMR. He's getting it all over his hands. So
I love playing with slime. Okay.
he loves playing with slime. He does, because he's like a slime master. So I'm just gonna show you guys.
I break slime every time I play with it.
Just gonna show you guys my
Breaks.
slime ASMR. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the video. Okay. How'd you like that, guys, when we had the video going? It's upside down. Are you serious? Whoopsies. I lost you guys. Okay, now let me help you get
shoot.
that. Oh, shoot. What?
There's a dang raccoon.
He's just playing with you guys.
But
There's no
if you
raccoon.
see raccoons on your window, in the kitchen, at your house, just scream.
And run for your life. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, and just smack yourself on the face and say,
Whoopsies.
stupid,
Sorry, guys.
little.
Whoopsies. Stop moving, bag. Okay, now I'm gonna show you.
Ah, it's drying up because of wind.
Hurry up, get it in there then. No, give me it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this right.
I'm not going to play with it no more after. Because I got enough slime on me today.
Okay, let me just take a little piece and then get it off you.
You didn't tell me it was that sticky.
Because it wasn't sticky before. Probably just got sticky. This one feels like really cool though because...
Jesse,
Hold on. Okay, now I'm going to get the rest of it off of him now. Okay. Let's get this off of you. Spread your fingers like this so I can get right here. Just trying to get this off of him. It's getting everywhere. Oh my god.
I'm gonna just go wash my hands.
Yeah, go wash them downstairs. So I'm just going to put that back in there. This one is actually kind of my favorite, but it smells kind of. It really smells. So I'm just going to like go like this because... So now I'm just going to give you one more quick review of all of the slimes that we played with today. So I'm just going to start with the clear slime. I'm going to show you guys the clear slime real quick because then it'll give you a quick review of all the slimes that we did today. Okay? So now I'm just going to do this for you guys real quick. So I'm just going to move the camera up so I can actually do this. Right there. I'm just going to move it right there. Okay, guys? And then I'm just going to get up and then actually show you guys how I did this. So, let me just show you guys all the slimes that I made for you today. I showed you guys. So, first I'm going to start off with the clear one. That smells horrible. So, that's what this one looks like. That's what that looks like. Right there. And then I'm going to put this one away and show you guys the others. So, here's this one. I'm not going to take this one out. Don't move.
Oh.
Because the camera's right there. So, move now. Because I'm trying to do this. I'm going to review all of them for them. Okay, this is the chocolate one again. And it kind of got full of the red stuff again. So I'm just going to mix it in again. Here it is though. This is what that one looks like. And it's very cool because I love it. So, and I have other videos of my channel too in my vlogs. So you should go check those out. Once I finish this video, I'll tell you what they're called, and you can go check them out and comment down below. So, I'm not done yet though. What? I don't know what you're saying, so.
I said we need 2 videos,
Okay, now I'm just going to show you guys the others.
She faked because she made one.
I love this one. It's like the best slime I've ever
Last
had.
year she got it. Jesse, I'm pretending that for Ninja Kids you got it.
Oh yeah, I bought this off of Ninja Kids.
Yeah,
I bought one of these off of Ninja Kids, and it was only like $1. And it was
the Ninja
it was this one I
Kids.
bought off of them from Ninja Store.
You mean Ninja Kids?
Yeah, Ninja Kids store.
We went there before. Remember?
Yeah.
Dang it, my chocolate stuck.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys the others.
You know Ninja Kids is real.
Yeah, I know.
The kids are
I'm just
real.
gonna show you guys in the bag because I didn't feel like doing this. Here's this one that we saw today. This one. And
I never done that
this
crazy,
one.
so I'm gonna
So-
put my forward there. Wait, Jesse.
make sure you comment down below, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, likes. See you in my next vlog. Bye. Stop, Louie. Peace.